Hey, hello everyone. We are solving next question from SQL 50, rising temperature. Okay, so let's see what does problem statement. And this is the common column description. A table description. Table name is weather and having three columns. And type is a integer, date, and integer. Okay. Write a solution to find all date IDs with the higher temperature compared to its previous latest written in any order. Okay. So write a solution to find all date IDs with a higher temperature to its previous yesterday. Like 10, this is previous date, 1, 2. Okay, so 25 is greater than 10, so 2 is there. Okay, 2 is qualified. Then um 2nd of January 2015 is 25, temperature is 25. 3rd of January 2015 temperature is 20. So this temperature is less than this temperature, so 3 is not qualified for the next because we want maximum temperatures than previous day. And here also uh, here also 30 4th of January 1st 2025 2015 is qualified because of 30 is greater than previous temperature, previous date temperature. Yeah. Okay. So let me do one thing. How we know previous day temperature? So suppose we use lag here, lag temperature, comma 1, and so we required actually lead, not lag. If I'm right, because we need to suppose we use lead, that means this is null. This is 10, this is 30, and this is 25 previous day temperature, or this is 20. Okay. So we also take in mind, we also need these dates in ascending order. Okay, so then we will know this is correct because we want which this is not qualified because null is there, this is qualified, so we will take that ID at that moment. Same for this, not same for this because temperature is 25 and this current day temperature is less than previous date temperature, so it will not this ID is not qualified for our answer table. But this 4 is qualified because previous date temperature is 20 and our current date temperature is for 30, so this will be qualified. So we will do on this basis of that. But what I think, we also need to check the dates. Okay, let's see what happened. We are solving along the way this question. mm, I will use like star lag temperature comma 1 over uh, I say order by recorded ascending order as previous date temperature is a temp from weather where ther weather. So let's see. Hmm. Then we will compare it, right? So this is our solution here. This is our um, result which is we required. We will first draw it, then we will get by writing the query here. So now I will taking the right. Hmm. Okay, so I will make it this as a CT common table expression. Name it process as, and next thing I will do is to checking is temperature 1 is greater than previous day temperature. If date temperature is 2, then this date will be qualified. So okay, select. Should I need to get it order? So also I need to get in this order, in particular order. So yes, maybe not, because we are doing order by here. Let's see what we can do. So I need to check for the one test case. Let me do a minute. Adding we'll do 6 here. Okay. So, yeah, yes. Definitely we are on the right track. Okay, that's we want. Okay. Correct. We don't need to order by here, so I will use star. We don't require server. We require just ID here, ID, and from process, and I will whether where where temperature temperature is greater than previous date temperature. That's it. That's we want, all we want here, our output. Let's see. This is correct, but this is not correct. Why? Let's understand it. Why? This is our output table. Okay, so I will make it. I will select star from process. So after processing, what we get here? Hmm. After process we get this output. Okay, and this output is pretty good, and they want id 4, but we in the output what we get, let's see. This is our output. What we get, um 10, no chance, because 10 is great. Okay, they are taking one or okay. No. Yes, 3 is there. Yeah, definitely 3 is there. 30 is there. Yeah, 3 4 is there. Yeah, let's see why they are only taking 4. Hmm, let me do this. Because 3, yes. Okay, they are strictly ordered. Okay, they are strictly ordered, I mean ID. Okay, so here we also one thing, not only our date is greater but also our id. This current id, previous day id should be less than current day id, current date id. So I mean 2 is also 2 is less than 4. So must be 2 is greater than, must be next id, next day id should be greater than previous day id also. So that's why they're only taking 4 here. Okay, so what we do, we maybe use lag here also, so that's a way we can check. Hmm, okay, this means 4. Yeah, here we can see temperature 25 is greater than 30. Okay, but I date id 4 is greater than 2. That's not possible. Okay, so we will also include previous day id here, so we will compare also ids, date id. ID So we don't require order by this. We require just only date. We order by date, so we don't require this also. So as previous date ID. Okay, so so I will use here also one more thing. Let's check now. Yeah, before checking the temperatures with each other, we are checking this ID with this. So in that way we will make sure, um, we will not get um, any you know, disturbance or distraction. So we will check here. I also include thing this itself here itself. So I will use and previous date ID. Previous date ID should be less than current date ID. So this is our answer. Let's check before that. Maybe this will work. No. Okay, why? Okay, let's see where we are making the mistakes. Okay, here is realize one more thing. In this table, our dates are consecutive, right? But temperatures dates are consecutive days, and temperature is also consecutive day temperature. But in this case, we are there is one for first day, and there is directly third day. They so three will be not qualified. Yeah, there is a satisfying conditions. Previous ID one is less than ID. That's true, and also the temperature of ID temperature current temperature is greater than previous day temperature. But this is previous day temperature, but this is not the previous day. So we will also need to we will also take a date difference, and if that date difference is 1, only we allow that ID to come our new filter table. So okay, so I will also need previous date recorded date. date. Okay, let me record date 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 comma or record record details project assembly order at previous day. Okay, then let's see. What is happening? So I will check here. I also check date difference. Current date or date comma should be greater than should be equal to 0, should be equal to 1, only having 1 day difference between. So let's see. Yes, both the test cases get accepted. So this is really nice question, I can say. Now we are submitting and checking for the other test cases. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are getting wrong test case. Okay, about same. I'm adding this test case here. I'm checking this. Okay, let's see what is in the process. Hmm, 15, 16. Oh, okay. That should not be go because date difference we will take recorded date and the previous date we will take it if we take it. So 2 is not eligible. So previous date for the 16 and yeah, this will be go. This will be satisfied. Previous date ID is 2 is less than ID. No, it should not come. Let's see what is the problem then. This is a table coming from the process. So we'll be doing this here. Output is nothing. Let me remove this ID. This one. Let's see. Now I will be submitting. Yes, nice. So we don't need previous date ID actually, because there is no problem. There is only required date difference is between two dates is one, and the temperature is greater than the previous date temperature. That's it. So now we are submitting. Let's see. Yes, we solved it successfully. And if you like it, and thanks for the watching and be my guest. Thank you.